I had some stuff on the prep that just, I couldn't make my numbers match the software, but.
Oh, whoops. I did not want to.
Which one did I have a question on?
And then some stuff I would do by hand, I would get right. And then other times it was like way off and I couldn't figure out why.
Oh, I just had, on the homework, mine didn't look at all like that. But I think we keep running into that my scatter plot didn't look at all like that. Everything else meshed, but my scatter plot looked nothing like that.
Okay, so on the prep, question 9 and 10, where it says use the software to compute the value of the y-intercept and the slope.
Uh-huh.
My slope is a little bit off, not a lot. It's 7.6 instead of 7.4, but my y-intercept is way off.
Let me see what
like they got negative 69.369 and mine's negative 18.
Oh, I had negative 18 and I did figure out what I did. I got that first because I can see.
I can't figure out how to fix it.
How did I do that?
On one of mine, when I switched the order that I put them in, it totally changed the values.
Well, yeah, but we're supposed to, I thought that the X for this one was the head length and the variable Y was the body length.
Yes, it is.
So that's how I have it. So I don't know why it's wrong.
You know, I don't know what happened, but I can see like I whited it out and changed it to negative 69. But when I look on the back, the first number I had was negative 18.274.
That's what I have. Yeah, that's what I have right now.
Hey, there's your family.
That was us like 7 years ago.
Is your little daughter, is she adopted?
Yeah, we adopted her from Taiwan.
Wow. Where are you guys at? Taiwan?
China. Yeah, we lived in China for about 3 years.
You did? Oh my gosh, that's wild. You lived in China for 3 years? What for?
My husband's job. He just worked for a company in Ogden called Autoleave, and they do like airbag manufacturing. And
that's big in Utah. I know Autoleave.
Oh, okay. So yeah, so he went over there to do now I don't even know what it's called. Basically to audit manufacturers, like all the parts that they manufacture for the airbags and stuff. He have to go audit all the manufacturing companies.
I'd be scared to live in China.
How do I know, like that little boy right there, he is 15 now. I was gonna say 14 now. Okay, how do I stop sharing? Oh.
There you are.
There we are. Okay. I'm back now.
Okay. So, I mean, I copied it, and the thing is, I've started over a couple different times. I just cannot get the data to do anything else.
On 9 and 10?
Yeah, I keep getting the same answers no matter what I do.
That is weird.
Did you
here, I'll close this out and
have the numbers in there as a negative number?
Hold on.
Was this for the prep or the homework?
Prep.
Well, you use it in both, but right now we're looking at the prep.
Okay, so you're looking at the prep. Okay.
Yeah, we're looking at the crocodile.
Okay.
So the head length. Which, did any of you watch that little clip of the video?
Yeah.
That was actually pretty cool.
My Flash player isn't up to date, and so it wouldn't let me watch it.
Yeah, no. So actually, when I was at BYU, Idaho, I was obsessed with crocodiles and alligators, so I would watch nothing but those documentaries.
Wow.
Awesome. I tried to YouTube it, but the only thing I could find was like a Spanish version of it.
Oh,
it was a terrifying video to watch, to imagine that something that big actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just closed my Excel sheet and then opened it back up fresh and moved the data over, and I'm still getting the same
Okay.
So I'm going to try flipping them, but that just seems wrong.
I didn't make a note why I got that information. Why I got
I'm
the
gonna
negative.
try flipping it, but it would be wrong to do it that way.
So did you guys because I know I did get those right answers, but for 13 I did not get what they got.
Okay, that doesn't make any
difference. Look in the data
difference
file on 13. You actually look at the data file.
Yeah, I know. I put 51 in, and I did not get that.
No, you don't put 50.
I didn't get that either.
You go over to the data file and you look at what piece of data was 51, and then you look at the corresponding body length in the data.
And there's actually two.
Yeah.
There's two of them.
In the 2 columns of data. You look at the head length that was 51 and the corresponding body length is 343. It's not something you don't put the 51 in that little box.
Yeah, that threw me off. But yeah, if you just look in the data, it's just the corresponding.
But the thing is, it didn't match the answer key.
For me, it was the exact same one. Like, you're not doing anything in the Excel spreadsheet. You're just looking at the.
Oh, I get you now. Okay, so 3, 4. Okay, I see it now.
Yeah, but it's still mine didn't
get the data.
Mine didn't. Where are we at? The homework or the?
That's all. But then when you do put it in, what is that little box called? When you put in the 51? In the.
It's the X.
It's just your X variable.
What?
It's just your X.
Yeah, when you put it in for the X, then you get the 308.033 because it's averaging for.
Okay, so just pull up the data, Lorena. Just pull up the data for number 13.
Okay, that's the.
Just the data, head length and the body length for.
Yeah. So 51, I've got one that's 51 and the body length is 368. I have another one where it's 51 and the body length is 376.
Are you in the right data? Because there's 2 crocodile datas.
Well, I'm in the one that says modify. Is that not the right one?
Look at the crocodile.
GHA Gharial crocodiles.
Oh.
Are you in that one?
No, I'm not.
That's why. I think that's what I did wrong too. And that's why when you punch it in, you'll get the right number on 9 too, and on 10.
Yeah.
Right. Hold on a second then, because I thought that that's what it was telling us to use was that data.
No.
Stupid.
Yeah, when you.
Aerial crocodiles. Okay.
Not the estuarian crocodiles or estuarian. Yeah, it's a different crocodile data.
The E crocodiles and the G crocodiles.
Yes, this is the G crocodile. So when you pull up that, then
All right,
it should
hold on a minute.
Mesh.
I think you'll have everything fit if you do that.
Hey,
Okay, hold on. Let me.
blanket with the babes. That blanket on the floor by you.
Okay. Hold on. Well, in interesting things, the slope of those two are very similar. If you want to make, interesting inferences here. Negative 69.369. There we go.
That's what I did too. I was trying to remember what I did, but
Okay, so 51 equals 343, which is right. Okay, blah, blah, blah. All right. Right data package. All right. Then I had something on the homework too. I hope it's not because it may have been because I was doing the wrong one because they used that same data in the.
I bet that's why.
No, because in the homework it tells you to use the estuarian crocodile modified.
Huh? Oh, in the homework. Oh.
Homework it does. It tells you to use the estuarian crocodile.
So what question do you have for that one?
I have to look back. Hold on a second. I couldn't. Okay, the part where it tells you to like do it by hand, I was not getting anything close to what, like I got the right one with the software, but I can't make it be right when I do it by hand because it's y equals this.
Mine were barely off, just a little bit. So were yours like completely off or just a little bit off?
Like completely.
Are you using a negative 18.274?
Yeah.
And plus the 7.66?
It's plus?
Plus 7.
Are you switching maybe like your slope and your y-intercept?
No, I'm pretty sure I have those right. Okay, so it'll be negative 18.274 plus 7.66 times 55.
Make sure you're putting parentheses.
I did do that, but I thought that I saw in the reading where it was minus.
No, it's plus, and then you should be able to get something really close.
Yeah, I did. 403.026. Okay.
3.06. Yeah, 403.026 on the calculator. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
On the software. Yep.
I'm looking at this going, I know I'm not an idiot, so what the frick? Like, can't.
Oh.
I don't know. This is...
It cracks me up when you're like, I know I'm not an idiot. So. But did you guys get the same, on question 4 of the homework, did you get the same scatter plot?
Yeah, I think so.
Mostly. Well, I never look exactly.
No, that one didn't quite look, and I bet it's because they've adjusted. If you look at it, it's like what we were just doing for the eggs. They've adjusted the Y and X axis so it's more spread out, whereas ours was zeros, and so it was had the data more clustered together.
Okay. Okay, then I'm not going to worry about it because everything else was.
I wouldn't worry about it because that and it kind of looks like they might be doing SPSS stuff again. Just as frustrating.
Well,
what?
You guys feel ready to take the quiz?
Yes. Let's do that.
So, Allison, you're the only one that comes up now.
Oh, that's because you clicked on it, and I did that too, and now I can't unclick it, so it doesn't switch to who's talking.
Oh no! I'm sorry.
That's all right.
How to do it?
No, so you just click on her again, and then you're able to see everybody again.
Oh, there you go. I was wondering how to undo it, and I couldn't figure it out.
Okay. Weird.
Cool. Yeah, it works now.
I love being the center of attention the entire meeting.
Look at me. Look at me.
Everybody wants me the entire time.
All right.
Well, where's your kitty, Heather? Your kitty has been absent the past couple meetings.
He just jumped up here, or he. Did I tell you the funny thing about the kitty? We took him to the vet. She was named Eleanor. We took her to the vet and went, oh, so now he is named Theodore. It's a boy. Dang it. Girl.
I have a friend, they named their cat Rosie. Took Rosie in to get spayed and ended up getting Rosie neutered instead. And they just kept his name, Rosie.
Kept his name.
I wonder sometimes, like, when you can't tell like that, if they just have, like, undescended.
Yeah, they are descended when they're little, and then their little parts are really hard to tell the difference. And the people we adopted them from are like, no, look, see this? See how it's like this? That makes it a girl. And I'm like, okay.
We've never had cats because my mom's allergic, so I don't know. I've never...
See, I found this. I've only had 2 kittens, and one was obviously, like, we had her. She was a girl. And then I found this little kitten by the side of the road. He was like 4 weeks old, and he was really sick. And he had, like, snot and everything. And so we kept him, and we named him Trouble. And it wasn't hard to tell. He was very well endowed. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Amazing. I still
It was really funny because our female cat, who was already fixed, was like, we took him to the vet and got him neutered, so he comes back without, his stuff, and he like did all this like crazy stuff that like showed that she was like pissed off, like she went and peed somewhere, or she like crapped on the carpet, and like she was all pissed off. I was like, "We're his balls. What do you care?" Like,
that's hilarious. That's crazy. Animals are so weird. She was ticked about it, huh?
She was. And I was like, what do you care? Your spear fixed. Like,
That's
don't do that.
Okay. Given the linear regression equation, what is the concept? So 2.0, right?
Yep. I love these questions. 1.5 is the slope.
I know, where you get to like look at it, you're like, oh, I know what that is.
Can this be the next test, please?
I know. The whole thing.
So, who is everyone taking the homework quiz for 21?
I haven't taken any of them.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I did.
Never mind.
I haven't taken-
Were they hard?
There's not a lot of like the quiz is like half of the material from the chapter, and then it goes on to other stuff.
Which is
that
good
we've done
because I need review for.
Yeah. But it was one of those, like, I was just like, dang it, I needed this to be easy. I needed to be done. I have to go get my daughter. Like,
That's too bad.
Yeah, I do that all day because that's what's on the final. That's.
oh, I know.
Okay, what'd you guys get?
I got one.
Yeah, I got
Hold
one.
on. Oh, 6.
Makes sense. 1/4 of 16 is 4. Minus 3, 1.
One.
1.
Okay.
Okay, now we gotta put it in. Okay. Ah, where'd my data go? Oh, there you are.
All right, I'm going to close all my extra data sheets here because I have like a million of them here.
All right. Thanks for telling us. Support you in that.
Well, I'm not like fancy like some of you and have 2 screens, so
I don't have 2 screens either, Lori, and I'm right there with you.
I'm like, I've got one decent but small screen.
I don't like this next question. What is a hamburger shape?
They show it in the lesson. They show it in the lesson.
Yeah.
Hamburger
It's
shape is
basically
not.
no shape at all.
As I say, I did look at the lesson. I guess I didn't. I saw the banana and the hot dog. I guess I just didn't see the hamburger.
That's the only one.
The banana.
So this looks more hot dog-ish.
It's just so funny.
What do you guys think? Like a hot dog?
So much
It's not banana.
Oh my gosh.
Just a sec.
It's kind
Okay.
of curved.
Really?
No, I'd say it's a hot dog.
Hang on a second.
I don't see any curve. Like if you put a line
Kind of
on
looks
it.
more like a rocket.
Mine more looks like a jellyfish. You know, you have the top and then like the little tendrils.
Oh yes, that's what. Yeah, because I was like, kind of looks like a rocket. Yeah, but that's right. Yeah, so hot dog.
Okay, hot dog shape.
The trend line, it's pretty straight. I mean, it is straight, so.
So simple is appropriate, right? Bless you.
Oh, I'm still putting my data in. You guys are like 6 questions down the road.
Well, wait.
That looks more like a squid.
And I told you, well, I said it looked like a jellyfish, but that's same shape.
They all have tentacles.
We're calling that a hot dog, aren't we? What's the question?
Yeah. It's a watered hot dog. Based on the
Water.
shape of the scatter plot you produced in the last question, what can you say about the appropriateness of the simple linear regression?
Oh, God, now I gotta find my quiz.
Is that simple linear is used for the data results will not be reliable? Well, because it says conduct regression analysis for hot dog shape. It says conduct regression analysis to determine if there is significant linear relationship.
Wait a second. What even question are you guys on?
7.
Number 7.
Oh, okay. Based on the shape of this calculate produced, what can you say about the appropriateness of using simple linear regression to model these data? I think you can use simple linear regression.
Yeah, I'd say it's A.
I mean, because it splits the data in half. Like it's not like it's skewed one direct, one over the other.
Yeah, no, and you can put a straight line through that, and it looks like a linear, right?
How many observations are in the data?
What?
Oh,
That's
Is
the
that-
next question.
that
Is that
was-
like N? equals something.
Number. So 140.
142 minus what? Because it starts at 4.
138. But don't you think that would? I guess it's not up here. I mean,
Doesn't make any sense.
One
Observation.
oh wait, minus 3. 138 minus 3 it'd be or 42. 142.
Hold on, I'm just gonna paste it into a new thing so it can show me.
3. It's 139.
Why does that even matter?
I know.
What significance does that have?
I think it's just trying to see if we
Okay,
understand.
You give us an easy point.
The y-intercept 1.296.
Yeah,
That
so
would you guys
that's
have?
139.
What's the slope?
Okay, so observations are 139.
Yeah.
Okay.
Y-intercept is 1.296.
Yeah.
Slope is 0.042.
Well, 0 point.
And x equals 4 gives us
So calculator. Oh, we can just put it in here.
a predicted value of 1.462.
1.462. That's what I got.
The confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence in each question on a scale of 1 to 6.
Wait a second.
Is it the covariance?
Wait a second. What's this?
Hint, because there's a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predicted value of y.
So you just do 6, right?
Huh?
Would be 1.546.
So wait a minute, how do you get the
That's-
largest? Oh,
Good put-
confidence
And
1
is
to
the x,
6.
right? Right, so you're doing x equals 6?
I guess so.
I don't know. I guess.
Well, I mean, if that's the highest x value you can have, then, or that's, it's actually,
What is
I
confidence?
have, do I have this backwards?
What is confidence data? Like, did they go over that?
So if you look at the data itself, what we were measuring
Yeah.
was the scores with the confidence.
So that for each question, they did that confidence level saying like, I have no idea to, I'm absolutely sure.
Okay.
So the
Okay.
largest,
That's why.
oh crap. Hold
I
on
got
just a minute, guys. This is my son's teacher. I'm sorry. Hello?
Correlation. Because
So the highest. I think I think you're right. If we put in 6 because that's the highest you can go on the confidence data. So if you put that in as the x, find the largest predicted value of y.
Okay.
And that would be 1.546.
All right. I appreciate that. We had a hard morning. So yes, please.
Is that what you guys got? Was 1.546?
yes, predicted. Yeah, 1.546. So what is it asking? Is it asking?
For the predicted value of y,
Using the largest x.
using the largest x.
Maximum predicted value of y for these values of x. So it's the answer is not 6. The answer is 1.546.
Yeah, because you're plugging in x into that equation.
Okay. Independent variables are present. How many explanatory variables are present in this simple linear regression?
So that'd be 1, right?
What do you think we can
You can only have 1 independent variable.
Right, because if there's 2, then it said you had to get a statistician. If there's more, I guess more than like.
Well, I think those are dependent variables, though, they're talking about. No. Those are independent. You're right.
Okay, well, we can work on that, but I need you
Because
to
this
pick-
is simple. Yeah, so if you were going to have more than 1, yeah, it would be the independent. So dependent would be 1 as well, right? So they're both 1?
Yeah, I would say. That's my guess.
calm down.
How many response variables are present in simple linear regression? Oh, yeah, I think it's one. Yeah, because otherwise it's multiple linear regression. Yeah. Yes.
So both answers are one.
That's what I think. Guess we'll find out. Company and
Manufacturers hard hats. Oh no. Okay. Used in the mining industry, they record measurements on all the hats produced for control of the measurements flipped.
Circumference.
It's the circumference.
That is.
It's the circumference because it's the variable being predicted, isn't it? I maybe we have to. We did this one before, but.
But they're given the circumference, so they're trying to determine the size of the hat.
Just a second. Like hat size.
That's Y. Size of the hat is Y.
Yeah, the size of the hat because it's the variable being predicted, so it's A, right?
Okay, I'm sorry, ladies.
Yeah, they want to predict the size of the hat.
Yeah, so that'd be A.
Yeah, everything okay?
I'll fill you in a minute.
Okay, so that's it. That's all of them.
Okay, so I'm sorry. Back to the
So where were you?
The confidence level, we said that was predicted to be 1.546.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Come on. Type this thing. How many explanatory independent variables are present in a simpler linear regression?
It's just one.
It's just one, right? Because it's either -1 or 1. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Explanatory.
No,
okay,
these are the variables. So with simple linear regression, you just have one dependent variable, you have one independent. So both answers are one.
We think.
That's what I thought.
There's more, it becomes multiple linear regression.
Yeah, we aren't doing that yet. Okay. So a company in South Dakota manufactures hats. The measurements, they collect the size, circumference. Yeah, I saw that.
Predict the size of the
Predict
hat.
the size. Somebody wants to predict the size of hat given the circumference. What is the response variable?
Size of the hat.
So A, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll submit the quiz first. So just hang on a second.
Okay.
See what we got. Uh-oh, we missed 12.
Oh.
What did you put on 12?
12 is the 1.456. I wonder if they wanted us to do it by hand.
No. I put it in wrong. I put in
0.54.
Oh, did
I put in the wrong order. I missed 11 and 12 because I was getting screwed. So I put on 11 1.462.
Yeah.
And that should be 12. What do you guys have on 11?
1.462.
That's the answer.
It's wrong. And what do you have on 12?
1.546.
1.546.
11 and 12 are wrong.
Why?
You got 1.546?
I have 1.546 on 12 and it's wrong. And I have 1.462 on 11 and it's wrong. And oh, wait a second. Oh, wait a second. Holy crap. Wait. We missed. Wait, what the heck? We missed 9 at 1.296. 9 is wrong.
I wonder if we put the data in wrong.
0.042. That's wrong. 9, 10, 11, and 12 are wrong.
You guys, I think we put the data in the wrong thing. Did you guys put
I put the response variable as the 1 through 6 as the confidence thing. Do we have it backwards? Is that what we're doing?
I have it backwards. We can try it doing it backwards. I can try that and then see if that gives us different answers.
Okay, hold on. I'm just going to close my thing out so I get it.
The response variable should be the score.
Oh, yeah, I have it backwards.
We all.
Oh, well, that would make sense. Okay, so we all did it backwards.
Whenever I got it wrong on the homework or anything, like it was always because I had put the wrong one. So how do you know which one to put in where?
Because the explanatory variable is x, so that he tells you in the thing what to do.
But if you think about it, you can also figure it out because.
So the score is the response, or is that what we're doing?
That's the response. The confidence explains their score, right? How confident they were tells how high they scored on the test.
Okay,
so the score variable.
So 9, the y-intercept is going to be 18.690.
Yeah, because we all just put them in the order. We just did both columns, double pasted both.
And the slope is 12.695. Value of x as 4. The predicted y is 69.469.
I'm behind you.
And then 6.
Y-intercept is 18. Slope.
94.859.
Sorry, we're behind you.
That's all right. You guys check me.
Okay. I'll be right back.
This makes more sense now.
Okay, did you guys get those values?
So for 9, I got 18.690.
Yes.
10, I got 12.695.
Yes.
11, I got 69.469.
Yes.
And 12, I got 94.859.
Yes.
So we must have gotten it right, like that it's still hot dog shape.
Yeah. All right, I'll submit it and see if all that's right.
Sure.
Yeah, it's right, 100%.
Yay.
I was just double checking that. So,
Tell me your class. There are the pencils. Came in.
Okay.
So you done with your class today?
Not yet.
Okay. So Heather, do you need us to give you the answers again, or?
Yep. I can find the test again. Let's see. Wait. Ugh. Hang on a sec. I have to figure out how to make this.
Can't believe you lived in China for 3 years.
Oh, that's why
I served a mission in Taiwan, so it really wasn't that bad.
What the heck did you eat in China for 2 years?
For 3 years?
3 years. Yes.
Well, we lived in Shanghai, which is it's like New York City. I mean, it's like 21 million people, and we lived in an area that had a ton of people like us, but from different countries, like Singapore and France and Germany and Brazil, and I mean, there were just people from everywhere, and so they had lots and lots of different international stores that you could shop. It was really expensive, but when you go over with a company, it's a pretty sweet setup. I mean, they paid for our housing, they paid for our car, they paid for pretty much everything, and we rented our house back home. And so, I mean, we didn't have any sort of, I mean, our food and our travel was like our only living expenses, and clothes, things like that, you know.
Wow, that's really cool.
But I got to eat like the best international food ever. I mean, the international grocery stores there were like, you know, importing cheese from France and Italy and stuff. I mean, it was incredible. So we ate really well.
That's cool. That is so cool. I admire that. Okay, so yes, I need the answers. So number 3 is 2.0. Number 4, 1.5. Number 5,
1.
1.
Hot dog shape.
6, I got that. Number 7 is A, right?
Yep.
Number 8 was 139.
Yep.
Number 9.
18.690.
Okay. Number 10.
12.695.
6. Yeah, these are what I have over here on the spreadsheet too. So 69.469.
Yep.
69.469. And then 12.
1.
94.859.
94.859. 94.859. And then 13 was 1. 14 was 1. 15 was A. Yes?
Mhm. Yep.
All right. So let's see what happens if I submit it again. Hopefully I put those in right since it's my last chance. Did anyone else submit it?
Yeah, everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
It's 100%.
Potty break. Okay, yeah, we're at 100. Okay. Sounds good.